Hope all of you are fine. Students, in previous videos we have started our exercise 1.1 and do the question number 1 to 8. Completed the question number 1 to 8. Now today we will start the next question. I explain you the next question. Exercise 1.1, question number 9. Use the sign of greater than, smaller than or equal to in the box to make the statement true. You have to use all these signs to make the statement true. First, you solve this. Like first one is minus 8 plus minus 4. Here minus 8 minus minus 4. So what will be the sign? Here we use greater than, less than or equal to. So first we solve it. The first question is minus 8 plus minus 4. Here is equal to minus 8 minus and plus, when we multiply it there is minus 4. So the answer is minus 12. Here minus 8 minus minus 4 is equal to minus 8 minus minus become plus 4 and the answer is minus 4. So here we use the sign this one. Now B1 is minus 3 plus 7 minus 19. Here 15 minus 8 plus minus 9. So minus 3 plus 7 minus 19. So 7 minus 22. We add minus 3 and minus 19. So the answer is minus 15. Here 15 minus 8 minus 9. Answer 15 minus 17 is equal to minus 2. So the answer is here. So students, like that you have to practice C, D and E. Now go to the question number 10. A water tank has steps inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step, that is the first step. The water level is in the 9th step. First what we find, he jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps up. In how many jumps will he reach the water level? Second, after drinking water, he wants to go back. For this, he jumps 4 steps up and then jumps back 2 steps down in every move. In how many jumps will he reach back the top step? क्वेश्चन में आपको बोल रहा है स्टूडेंट्स कि एक वाटर टैंक है जिसमें स्टेयर्स हैं. तो एक मंकी जो है वो फर्स्ट स्टेप पे बैठा हुआ है और वो पानी पीने उसको जाना है. तो नीचे का जो लेवल है वो 9 लेवल पे, वाटर लेवल जो है वो 9 स्टेयर पे है. तो वो फर्स्ट 3 जंप लेता है, उसके बाद वापस 2 जंप वापस आ जाता है. तो वो कितनी जंप पे यहाँ पर पहुँचेगा वाटर लेवल पे? सो हाउ वी फाइंड इट? सो हियर वी फाइंड इट लाइक दैट. वो यहाँ फर्स्ट स्टेप पे बैठा है. फर्स्ट स्टेप से वो 3 जंप लेगा तो यहाँ 4 पे आएगा. फिर वो 2 स्टेप रिटर्न करता है, सेकंड स्टेयर पे आया. देन अगेन ही जंप 3 स्टेप्स इन 5th स्टेयर, देन went back to the 3rd stair, then 6th step, went back to the 4th one, then 7th, went back to the 5th one. From 5th he jumped from 8th, then went back and at last he jumped on 9th stair and go to the water. So here he will reach the water level in 11 jumps. Total 11 jumps. Because from first step he jumped to step 4 and jumps back 2 steps up. So he reaches in step 2. Again from second step he jumps to the 5th step and jumps back 2 steps up. So he reaches in step 3. From third step he jumps to step 6 and jumps back to the 2 steps and reaches to fourth step. Then fourth step he jumps to the 7th and again jump back 2 steps, so he reaches to the 5th step. Then from 5th step he jump to step 8 and jump back steps 2 steps up, so he reaches to 6th step, and from 6th step he jump to the step 9 and he will reach the water level. So total he jumps 11. In second, after drinking water he wants to go back. पानी पीने के बाद उसे वापस जाना है. इसके लिए वो 4 स्टेप्स जो है वो ऊपर जाता है और फिर जंप करता है 2 स्टेप्स हर मूव में. तो कितनी जंप्स में वो टॉप पे पहुंचेगा? So same you find it and he will reach back the top step in 5 jumps. 5 jumps में वो वापस ऊपर पहुंच जाएगा. Here if the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integer and the number steps moved up by positive integer. अगर नीचे जाने वाले स्टेप्स को हम नेगेटिव इंटीजर से और ऊपर जाने वाले स्टेप्स को हम पॉजिटिव इंटीजर से शो करते हैं, रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, तो ये दो इक्वेशन कंप्लीट करने के लिए 2 पार्ट्स दिए हैं, तो उसे हमें कब -8 आंसर आएगा उसमें कंप्लीट करना है. हियर -3 + 2 -3 + 2 -3 + 2 -3 + 2 -3 + 2 -3 is equal to -8. And in second, 4 - 2 + 4 - 2 + 4 is equal to 8. So here students, we complete our exercise 1.1. So you have to write all the answers in your notebook, solve it and practice it.